Hello everyone, this is Norlito and welcome to my channel. Are you planning to capture your video using your smartphone? Well, in this video, we will talk about some good accessories, tripod mounts, and some ideas that will help you level up the content of your video. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to press the notification bell so the next time I will upload a video like this, you will also be notified. So I have three equipment that I will show you on this video. So first one on our list is this mini tripod. This is very useful when you're doing your video content. So you can put on your table like this. As you can see it. Yeah. And there's a small ball head. This that you can move it around wherever you want to put your angle. So, and then you can buy this small camera or clamp that you can attach. There's a screw here. This one is this is cheap one, but you cannot do vertical. This one you can put vertical or horizontal, but advice to everyone who's doing your video content, try to avoid doing the vertical one. You know, when you're doing your video, try to avoid the vertical one, because I saw a lot of people are doing vertical. So when you upload it and watch it on your TV, there's a left and right black side. The video is only in the middle, so it doesn't look good. So all you have to do is put it horizontal this way. This is the standard when you're doing video. Okay, so you can attach this one in this mini tripod. Yeah, there's a screw here, and then you attach your video, your cell phone. So this you can use it as selfie mode, or if you want to video something on your table, you can put it this way, like that, and you can angle it like that. See, you will, okay. Then you can do it, or if you want to do it to yourself, you can put it this way. I will put the link on our description below, so you can check where you can buy it or where you can find this MANFROTTO mini tripod. Okay, so the next item that I will show you when you're doing your mobile phone video, I can recommend to you this Canon video rig. It actually has a foot that you can put this on your table, or you can attach this to your light stand or tripod. But usually I put this on a light stand. First, you can attach your cell phone here. You can attach your cell phone like this. Then it will hold, you can tie it up. There you go. So it's tied up, you won't lose. And then you can add your lights on the other side. This actually if you are doing your video inside your home and you need more lights, you can attach this LP micro external lights. So you can attach from the other side. Actually, there's a parts here that you can attach your lights like that. Then you have your lights. See that? So if you need more lights, so you can add on this video rig. And then you can attach on the other side your external microphone if you have one. So it's like you can put it together in one video rig. This is a little bit. This is very cheap. So I will put the link in our description below where you can find this video rig. Then you just attach your external microphone. So just like that. So you have your own video rig. It has light, then external microphone, and your cell phone. And then you can put it on your table because it will hold, because there's a fit in here. Or you can put it in your light stand like this one. Just like that. Just tidy it up. So just like that. So you have your own equipment to do your video content, which is very nice, like this one. So like that. Then you light it up. Then you talk to the front of your cell phone, and you can do your own video content like this one. So here it is. This is how you set up your video rig. So you have your external microphone, you have your lights, and you have your cell phone. So you can do your video inside your home. So wherever you go inside your home, you can take it, because this is movable like this. It's very convenient. So wherever you want to go to your inside your home, this is very convenient. You want to go to your kitchen or your table, this is it. So I can highly recommend using this video rig. Okay, so this is the last item that I will show you. This is the DJI Osmo 3 gimbal. Whenever I'm going to video outside or walking around, I'm using this gimbal. This is very helpful. It will make your video very smooth and stable. I'm not gonna do the review because there's so many reviews regarding this item, but I'm just showing to you which one I'm using. Only if you have a budget, but if you don't have a budget, then it's up to you. But right now I'm using this one, and it's very helpful. So you just need to download the program in your cell phone and just attach it. I'll show you how to attach the cell phone. So just put like this. So you just put like that, and then open, power up, and then it automatically follow like this one. See, if you want, you just press the button right here and it will go horizontally, horizontal, then it will go vertical. Just press the button, it will go right away. Then if you wanna go your selfie mode like this, 1 2 3. So this is it. So if you want to elevate your video content, I'm recommending it to you using this DJI Osmo 3 gimbal. It's very helpful. Okay, so I hope you like this video that I made for you, and if you like it, just press the like button and also the notification bell, so the next time I will upload a video like this, you will be notified. Thank you so much, and God bless you.